2026. I'm at McCormick Place in Chicago. I'm at the 2026 Chicago Auto Show. It's about a few minutes after 10, and here's the people going in. So here we are at the entrance to the Chicago Auto Show. Just have to go buy my tickets, which are down over this way. Here's the pricing: 20 general, 15 senior, child 15. Here we are. The first exhibit that you come into is Toyota, which is behind me here. There's a Toyota display.
The need for help in the backcountry.
This is the Land Cruiser.
And live fully and while you're here at the show. First of all,
here's inside.
Mobile service will have trained technicians coming to you, delivering care and Ford products to you.
See in the back. Oh, got some people back there.
Discover our auto show incentive. Basically, you want to see here.
See what this one is.
If you write that in. Again, you sign up.
Toyota Land Cruiser.
Then you have 2 months to go to the dealership. Test drive before. We will send you $50.
So they put all the trucks up front. Here's a 4Runner with the Cubs paint job. I'm just trying to hit these cars fast. So we had the Cubs 4Runner, now we have the Sox 4Runner. And it's probably a regular 4Runner, I think. Yep. Hard to keep black clean. I thought these were fingerprints. They're actually the design. Jump in the back seat here. There's a pickup truck. Still in Toyota right now. They have the Tacoma Toss and Win. So this one's $80,000 for the Sequoia. So I'm doing the car reviews pretty quick, so keep the video at a decent length. I believe this is the RAV4. Got a couple of them out here. Let's jump in the passenger side. Oh yeah, that's a RAV4. Has the lid plates. Here's a RAV4 Limited, and that's $48,000. I didn't bring my glasses as usual, so it's hard to read. Some more of the overview of the Toyota display. Going into the cars now. Assuming this is a Supra. Actually, we can kind of go through here. Here's another Supra. Let's get it from the front. Front of the Supra. Is this a Corolla? No, Camry. It's a little bit different. Let's look inside the Camry here. So this is kind of the center of the Toyota display. They have a pretty good amount of area here. Here's a white Camry. Let's go look at what the price tag is on this. This is a regular Camry, and it's basically $40,000. And you can look out the sunroof. So this is the all-new 2026 RAV4. Let's go look at what the new RAV4 looks like from the front. Oh, let's see. This one might be electric or hybrid. Oh, they don't have the price yet. They have Toyota merch if you need it. And here's some more cars and SUVs. This might be the Highlander. Let's see. I need to zoom out here. Well, I'll get the price tag and then zoom out. Yep, Highlander. So the Highlander is 51 and the RAV4 is like 48. It's a nice red though, or burgundy. Here's the interior of the Highlander. There's some more cars. This is a Grand Highlander, $49,000. Roof rack with stuff up there. Let's look at the back, or through the back. Oh, so 3 rows of seating. Some more of the RAV4s, Highlanders. Getting into the Camrys over here. So I'm just gonna walk through the rest of these. I think the Crown I might stop at, because that's one I haven't captured yet. A lot of RAV4s on the floor. Oh, this is a BZ. I think this is all electric. Then the souped up Camrys over here. Camry GTS. So here's the Crown. I'm not sure where this kind of falls. Let's go look at the price. Here's the engine. 56. Wow, what a guess. 56,699. It's actually easier to shoot the interior from outside of the car. So I have a few more cars at Toyota to look at. So let's finish that up and then we'll head to the next section. The all-new 2026 BZ. Plug in there. And let's see what this one costs. $48,800. So we get the lift gate to open. It's like a silver pearl white. BZ Woodland. Prototype vehicle is locked.
Navigation, also your backup camera. But you know something that's very important? A lot of you all who've considered to live this, as you say, battery lifestyle, electric lifestyle, you're simply wondering, where am I going to charge? Well, guess what now? It is compatible on board with the North American charging system. The North American
Hey, I won the first prize by knowing some of the facts on the car. So now I'm moving into Ford here.
Where freedom, power, and control, and confidence come together. That very mindset is what drives Ford racing. The work, the obsession to detail, and the relentless pursuit of greater performance.
Walking through the Ford display. We're going to do the ride along here. Here's the line for the Bronco test drive. I'm at the actual Ford Bronco experience, but you got to fill out this waiver, and it's like 10 pages long. It's kind of really long. But so is the line to get in on this, so see it like stretches all the way down. Oh, here comes a car finally. I don't think they have many out here right now. So here's the Ford exhibit. And then here's the test drive. Or where they drive you around.
That's 330 horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 10-speed automatic transmission.
Oh, 10-speed? Wow.
There's a built-in inclinometer right there, shows you how far we're tipping over.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's a tilt. Yeah. All right, we're coming around here.
Okay.
The thing about Bronco, guys, if you buy a Bronco, they actually send you a Bronco Alfa Romeo driving school where they teach you how to do all this stuff, and it's free for new Bronco owners. So you just have to get there and take you out for a real good time, about an 8-hour day. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just gotta see what's going on outside. So you can see on my screen right here, we have normal driving, we have that slippery car driving, we have eco mode to save some fuel, sand, mud, ruts, Baja mode, and rock crawl. Once we're in rock crawl mode, because we got these rocks out here, it seems to make sense that we do that, it shifts automatically for us. I don't have to touch or do anything else except put it in gear and go. We got that predicted tire placement.
Oh,
See
wow.
where those tires are going to go. We also have the stay bar automatically disconnected and that rear locker's already engaged. But check this out. Let's put a camera right down on top of those 35-inch tall beadlock ready wheels and tires. Just like that.
Wow.
Super smooth.
Yeah, exactly. Because when you're watching, it doesn't look, you know, because it's jarring so much, but it takes care of it.
Bronco absorbs a lot of that energy, that's for sure. All right, same split screen, except we've shut off the stay bar disconnect and engaged that front locking differential. So now we have power to going to all 4 tires equally. So all that torque that the engine creates sends it right to the ground, no matter if you got one tire in the air or not. We've got 10.5 inches of ground clearance. We've got about 23 inches of articulation combined front and rear, which is pretty awesome. Once you get up twisted up here like this, maybe this driver's side tire's up in the air, let's set it down on the ground.
Oh.
Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Using some pretty sweet technology to allow us to do that. We'll engage that rear locking differential so we have all the traction we need. We'll throw that camera up on there. I can see exactly where I'm going and what's around me. So if I'm parking in the parking garage or can't see a rock or whatever, it's okay because I have that camera spotting for me. I don't have to kick you out to tell me how close I get to something. Drive all the way to the end. When the road goes away, it seems like a good time to stop.
Yeah. When you run out of road, right?
Road, stop. Yeah. All right, we're gonna drop on down here. Get down on the ground, we'll roll off. Be able to go up and over onto a mountain.
Have a great time here at the Auto Show. Welcome to Chevrolet. And together, let's drive.
Throw that camera back up there and rock and roll, huh? Just like that, gang. All the way to the top. We can take a look off the deep end there. We got that camera so we can see, make sure nobody's out front. We drop down out with all that technology we have. It's important that we got those 17-inch disc brakes all the way around. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Just like that, we're back down on the ground. Yep.
So here's the Ford ride experience behind me, which I just finished up showing. And here we are just going through all the different Ford cars here and trucks. Here's a 4x4 XLT. Oh, they got these things you can actually go up on now.
There you go, friends. Those are your 4 choices of electrification at Toyota. We call it.
So I'm just going to walk through this area here. So
From the Toyota Mirai, our hydrogen fuel cell.
Popular IMSA series behind the wheelbase Lexus RCF GT3 that makes speeds of 200 miles an hour.
So this is a Lobo for $37,265.
We're racing today, our guys and gals here at Toyota Racing.
So here's the XL. This is a Flash, 72,685. The frunk.
See why you saved this number.
Have a huge panel down the middle. Yeah.
It's not big as Tesla though.
No, right.
Tesla.
Yeah, it's a huge one, yeah. This one's 81.4. Man, that's huge. Little kayaks up there.
Oh, I'm sure.
Here's another Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer ST 4x4 is $61,140. Here's some of the Broncos here. So it's like a smaller Bronco. Let's see what this one's called. So this is a Bronco Heritage, $37,565. This is a Bronco Big Bend. This is more like an adventure version. It's a really nice green. It's kind of like the one we took on the test track. Here's a Mach-E Rally. So this is a Rally for $61,475. Coming up into the Mustang GTs here. So this is the California Special for $54,500. So finishing up the Ford display, now I'm going to head over to Kia. Now we're moving on to Kia. So we'll walk through here, stop at some of the cars. Here's the X Pro. This might be a Telluride, let's see. Oh, I like the grille on that a lot. Here's the 2027 Telluride Prestige. No, Carnival. This is your SUV. It's either an X4 or an X5. Oh, this is a K5. Still at the K5. Here's the K5 inside. Here's the K5 GT. I really like the paint job. It almost looks like unpainted. Very cool car. It's got nice rims too. There's inside. Here's the K4. That's a lot different than the K5. I thought it'd be somewhat similar. That's a K4 hatchback. Oh, that one makes it easier. It's rotating. That's a Telluride prototype for 2027. Another K4. This is the Sorento. Here's info on the 2026 Sorento. I believe this is another Telluride. Here's the 2026 Sportage. Change that up a little bit. Let's go see what they've done. 2026 Sportage X Pro Prestige. I think this is another Sportage. Sportage Hybrid. It's another one of those paint jobs. This one's probably all electric. Yeah, EV6. So this will conclude the Kia display. I'm not hitting every car because it would take forever. But it's a good walk through and give me an idea of what's here. Here's Chevy. This one's definitely electric. I can tell by the look of it.
Chicago, welcome to Chevrolet as America celebrates 250 years.
Silverado EV.
That helped build it, and we're celebrating 115 years of our own. That's
There's a Corvette.
50 songs, from country to pop to rap to all the genres. You saw
Corvette
the USA
X-Ray.
in your Chevrolet. You also GT3 Corvette, the American sports car, helping you build.
There's another Silverado. This is like up to my chest. There's some more Corvettes. Here's an orange Corvette. This is a Corvette Distilled CX.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Chicago Auto Show and welcome to Chevrolet. Chevrolet's legendary performance lineup just keeps pushing the limits. And this year, we're taking it even further. The new Corvette lineup represents the ultimate expression of power, performance, and prestige. This is our legend in the making here. Now, it's an evolution of an icon celebrating Corvette's bold vision for the future. Then we have our E-Ray with an all-wheel drive system powered by an electrified front.
Suburbans. Let's see, what's this? Traverse.
Comes with our C71.
Here's a gray version of the Traverse.
Our Silverado 1500 available.
Here's the Colorado.
2-inch factory lift as well, with the Multimatic DH.
I like when they have these engine cutaways.
As well. And last but not least, we have our Silverado Heavy Duty with the 1.3-inch. The Silverado Heavy comes with
ZR2
engine options. We have a 6.6 gas that has a max towing capability of 9.
These Silverados are so big. Look at this. This is my shoulder, and it's still a little bit higher.
On the inside,
look at an ATV back there.
Touchscreen paired with them.
It's a nice blue. Now we're into the car area. Here's the Bolt. These don't have the prices on them. I think this is a Blazer. Here's a Chevy Blazer. Here's a red Blazer. It's a really nice red. Oh wow, red on red. Here's an Equinox. That's another Equinox. I like the back. I like the lighting. Oh, that's cool, a Bel Air. Just some more cars, Blazers, Equinox. And I think we're back around to the Corvettes again. Yep, because we're by the Ford Hill. Here I am at Subaru now. They usually have a pretty nice display. Very nature themed. So this is a Subaru Ascent.
Consumer Reports' most reliable automotive brand. Surprised they also named Subaru the best.
This guy's checking the engine out there. Sometimes they have the dogs here. It's the dog adoption service that they help fund. Kayak on the roof. So here's the Outback. Here's a Cross Tech. Here's the Forester. Walking through the tree trunk here. Here's another Forester. And going through all the Subarus here. I'll give you an idea. It's a really nice area. And the ground's kind of like you're walking on leaves. The carpeting has a print of that. So here's the Welcome Center. The one on the left is clean, and then the one on the right is all filthy. And the floor kind of rolls the video. So kind of is a little bit Here's some more Subarus they have out for display. So this must be the electric vehicle area at the electric vehicle charging sign. Here's all the RVs. Overlanding Chicago. Here's some more 10 SUVs. Here's GMC. Denali. Oh, they used to have the little car races over here with the little T-Mobile cars. So here I am at Hyundai now. Here's their exhibit. Oh, they have a Blackhawks. Which one is this? Blackhawk Santa Fe. So I'm just going to casually go through here. Here's the Elantra. This is the Tucson, I believe. It has a very unique grille. It's nice that you can go in most of the cars, just at the prototypes. Sonata. I think I test drove or rented a Sonata once. It was a nice ride. So just giving quick overviews. Here's another Santa Fe. Kind of like a goldish color. Tucson. Palisades over here. Oh, this is a Kona. I didn't know which one this one was. Actually, I don't know which this one is either. Let's see. Luckily, they have signs. Venue. Got this handle thing here. So this will conclude the Hyundai exhibit. A lot of cars to see. The Ford Drive, I meant to mention this earlier, the Ford Drive took probably about an hour and 45 minutes to do that. to wait in line. So you have to build a lot of time to do those. But just walking around is fine to see the different cars. So we're in the Buick exhibit. Here's the Enclave. Oh, this one we could sit in. Here's the interior of the Enclave. And we look behind us. See the seating setup. Here's a Buick. Here's some more Buicks. Buick Encore. Oh, that's a pretty big SUV. So now I'm at the VW exhibit here. Here's the retro van they brought back. These are, I believe, are all their electric cars. This one starts at $39,300. Here's a VW Atlas. This is the Atlas. Golf R. This is $49,400. GLI. Jetta GLI, $23,900. It's actually not bad. Tiguan. So that's finishing up VW. So starting now BMW here. Oh, they actually redesigned the grille. BMW X3. A lot of SUVs from BMW now. BMW X1. This one's kind of cool. BMW XM. It's got the non-metallic paint. Oh, I like the back lights there. Here's some more BMWs. This is the i7. It's like crystal lights almost. M5. So now moving on to Nissan here. That's a neat blue. Murano. Starting at $41,600. This is the Nissan Z.
This is the Z, and this is a midnight purple.
Wow, nice. Thank you. Here's the Z in neon purple. Here's the Rogue. Kind of doing an overview of that's the other side of the Rogue. This is the Kicks. The all-new Leaf. Not sure what this is. I forgot what the biggest Nissan is. This is it though. Armada. So VW, BMW, Nissan's this way. Cadillac's coming up as well. Here's Tesla. I was gonna say, I figured they'd have a Cybertruck. Everyone wants to sit in the Cybertruck. Prototype.
Drive itself to your destination. No, drive in all of our vehicles. So this is a prototype design. But that car right there, we're going to test that out today.
This is the new redesigned Model Y Robotaxi. Oh my God, that screen is huge. So here I'm at Cadillac. That's one big truck. This is an electric one. Escalade. Optique. Not sure if that's how you say it. This is full electric. Here's what the dash looks like. Here's another Escalade.
Well, they couldn't catch them because they didn't have DNA, right? A friend of mine's a detective. They don't get one now.
XT5. And here's the electric test track. I believe this one's electric as well. Vistique.
They had a truck with his DNA and tracked it right to his house. You can't get away with that stuff.
So inside the Vistique, here's like a little mini sphere. Oh, here's the Jeep test track.
Ram 3500 chassis cab, so you can make light of heavy work.
There's Jeep, then there's that Camp Jeep Experience. So these are both Gladiators. Oh, this is actually a Gladiator too. There's the dash. So this has got to be the Grand Cherokee. Yep. See what these are going for. 83. This might be another Grand Cherokee. Oh, Grand Wagoneer. There's a Cherokee. What's this? Oh, this is a Cherokee. Ah, here's the sign. I couldn't find out which one this one was. Grand Cherokee Summit, 80,300. This is a Wrangler. And here's a Compass. Now we're at Alfa Romeo.
Like this one there?
So this one is 61,900. Alfa Romeo. So this is the Dodge exhibit. A lot of Chargers and Challengers. They added a lot of light effects to the grille. Charger RT Plus, 87,600.
All things Dodge in this lovely afternoon here at the Chicago Auto Show. I want to thank you guys so much for coming out with us, looking at all these amazing cars we have with Dodge. We've got several other
Charger Scat Pack.
One being, and the most popular being the North American Car of the Year, folks, the all-new Dodge Charger 6-pack engine. This vehicle delivers 550 horsepower, 530. Custom built for the all-new 3-liter twin-turbo straight 6 Hurricane engine in the all-new Dodge Charger.
This must be the electric one.
6-pack high output engine, that's right.
Charger Daytona Scat Pack,
With this most horsepower and torque,
80,000.
any other car
Here's some of the minivans. I'm just going to walk through these. Entering the Dodge Ram area. A lot of different trucks. And I see some chrome on these trucks. They got the utility trucks too. A lot of chrome. SRT tracks. Here's inside the interior. That's kind of neat in the Ram exhibit. You'd be underneath the truck. Here I am at Honda. And we'll start with the, looks like SUVs are up at the front. CRVs over here. This is a CRV hybrid. Car and Driver 2026. 4-time winner. Oh, that has a great new car smell. Most of the other ones don't have it. Maybe because this one they keep shut most of the time. Honda Accord. Oh my God, they have the prices so big. So this one's $41,000. Here's the 1990 IndyCar photo op. So coming up here, we have the Honda Passport.
It's perfect.
Boy, a lot of car and driver awards. 12-time winner for the Honda Civic. Here's the pricing on those. I'm so used to an SUV, it's hard to get in and out of the cars now. Here's a 2026 Prelude.
That's gonna be the issue right there.
It's a nice looking car. Let's see what we got here. Maybe an Accord? Nope, Civic. Boy, Civic's a little bit bigger than I recall. The price is $30,000. Here's the interior of the Honda Civic. This is the Ridgeline, which is the pickup.
You ready?
Take a look inside. Here's the Ridgeline pricing. Starts at $40,000, goes up to $46,700. Here's a Honda Odyssey minivan. I don't even know if they call them minivans anymore. A lot of room back there though. So these start at $42,700 and go up to $51,700. This one priced as is, upside down, is $53,000. What's this, a Ridge? Let's see which one this one is. So this is a Pilot, and this one's $55,500. So here's kind of an overview of Alfa Romeo, Ram, Jeep. Here's Honda. Here's Kia, Toyota, Ford, Chevy's across the way over there. So this will conclude the 2026 Chicago Auto Show. You can see the Ford test track behind me here. It was actually a great experience, saw a lot of different cars, a lot of prototypes. Definitely the Corvette prototype was one of the nicest ones. Ford, the Mustangs are looking actually really good. We did the Ford test track, which was in the video. Did not do the Jeep because it was about an hour and 45-minute wait for the Ford. The Jeep did look like it was moving faster than the Ford one did, but still it would have been at least an hour. But next time we'll do the Jeep one instead of the Ford one, just to change it up a little bit. So this will conclude the video of the Chicago Auto Show. Thanks for watching. Click the like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing if you want to be notified when new content is created and posted. Thanks for watching.